Hey beautiful souls, welcome to Lex TV where flavor meets soul. My name is Annie B and you read the caption. In today's video we have fried shrimp and waffles. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, and these are not just your regular waffles. These are sweet plantain waffles. Yes, get into it with some scrambled eggs. So delicious. Okay, so first we're going to start off with some shrimp. Clean your shrimp and then you're going to pat them dry. I'm adding some Grace hot pepper sauce, which is a Jamaican hot sauce. So good. All right, you can add whatever hot sauce you prefer. And then I'm adding in some homemade buttermilk, which is some milk and vinegar, lemon or lime juice. And then you are going to add your seasoning salt, give that a good mix, and we're going to just let that marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes while we get our waffles together. So here's my sweet plantain. I'm just going to go ahead and take the skin off, peel that right on off, and then we're going to chop these up. How's everyone doing? I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far, and I thank every single one of you for tuning in. Now with your chopped sweet plantain, you're going to add that to a blender and blend it until smooth like so. Then we're gonna add that to our waffle batter. Okay, so here I'm adding in my flour, my baking powder, and all the measurements will be in the description box below. Okay, baking powder, baking soda. I'm adding in some cinnamon sugar. I'm going to add in some brown sugar. And then give that a good whisk. So these are our dry ingredients that we started with, and now we're adding in our wet ingredients, which is our eggs, our vanilla, our milk. Then we're going to go ahead and add in our blended sweet plantain. Give that a good mix, and then we're going to slowly mix in some melted butter. Should have used a bigger bowl, but that's okay. And now we're going to pour the wet mixture into our dry mixture. You want to mix till it's well incorporated, but you don't need this to be smooth. You can leave a little lumps in there, okay? Now here's my little cute waffle maker. I'm going to go in with some, use a little brush and get oil on there, and then 1 scoop of waffle batter until it's nice and brown, fluffy, and delicious. So good. Sweet plantain waffles. This is perfect for breakfast, but also extra perfect for that brunch time, that 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock time. Listen, perfect for that. And then here I'm going in with some flour, some cornstarch, paprika, salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. And this is for our shrimp batter. Okay, you're going to give that a good whisk. Right, then you take your shrimp, get it in the flour mixture that you've made. These shrimp were nice and crispy. Okay, Lexi took a bite and I just heard that hush, and I was like, ooh. And they loved it. My son loved the waffles. He didn't get any of the shrimp because he didn't want any shrimp, but he absolutely loved the waffles, and my mother and sister loved the whole thing, the eggs, the waffle, and the shrimp. So good. And now we're gonna make you just want to cook your shrimp about 2 minutes in some oil. Very simple. Such a simple recipe. Then you're going to scramble some eggs, seasoned with salt and black pepper. Again, very, very, very simple. And these flavors came through. And of course, you know, with the sweet plantain waffles, I had to go ahead and continue to Caribbeanize this meal by adding in some syrup, but it's infused with Scotch bonnet pepper and scallion. So when I say that syrup went well, it went perfectly. It brought this whole entire thing together because now we got that salt, that sweet, that savory. It was just such an amazing dish. Such an amazing dish. The shrimp were cooked to perfection. The waffles cooked to perfection. Let me know if you would order this. Would you order this plate of food? Let me know down in the comments below. Again, thank you to every single one of you who have tuned in to this video. I pray that you have a blessed day and peace.